Hi guys, today I'm going to show you on how to spend crypto like Fiat. You can get 5 USD for new registration. You can spend it on Google Play, Apple Pay, Airbnb, Rolex, Hermes, Facebook, TikTok, AliExpress, Amazon. You can top up cryptocurrency with RedotPay card, spend anytime, anywhere. It is that simple. You apply for a car, virtual or physical. You want virtual or physical card, you can get it on the app. You deposit crypto, SDC, ASTT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, any other crypto. You can spend it and transfer with crypto on PayPal, on Apple Pay, on Google Pay. You can press continue with Google, and you get an account, and then you verify your identification. After that, you can get your virtual or physical card as you choose. I hope this tutorial help you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. And if you like, if it help you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial. And thank you.